Yeah, what up? Today I want to show you how I color grade these two images reviews. We've got a Blackmagic shop that I've got from this Davinci Resolve tutorials. They also make a video, nice video tutorial. I'm so inspired with these guys. Man, the videos are dope. The tutorials are dope. I kind of learned it from these guys. So today I was like, man, let me take some of the photos as now, but I come into my, my grade tutorial. Then I give it to my peoples. What I just did is just I made a different grade moods, which is mood war themes with the beats of a greenish and a black booster orange and tears with the nice film colors. Okay, let's go jump into our previews and see what I just did there. Okay, right into here, what I just did, I did my conversion with this, which is I just used accessibility, as you can see right in my image, uh, to my timeline, because I've got access from Blackmagic. I don't know what they used, but I just assumed that it was a 4.6K films for Blackmagic Design. I was like, I'm going to use that stuff, and I converted it to accessibility, and then into my output I just did a rec 709. After that, what I just did a bit of a construct by using my curves right here, and then what I just did, it's increase my exposure because it was very dark. I was like, man, I just want to increase this, so I increase my highlights. As you can see there, I just touched this stuff right here. As you can see that before, and it was a bit dark, and yeah, I saw how. And then what I just did, I did my saturations. It's only saturated bluish and greenish. Is it because when I raised my saturation, I just took my reddish down. This is I always do this. And then after I just did my little bit of my gray, my look. I was taking that bluish to be here. This is cinematic, so it has to be, as that the cinematic vibe doesn't have that blue. It's kind of have a vintage blue. And then what I did is just play around with my orange stuff with this kind of coming straight to the skin and all other orange spots. So it's just boosting a little bit. And then what I did is my first print. Was warm print. This is my first print. This is just kind of the second print, which is this, is going to be it's not that necessary. I'll just make it or not, but this one is very important to me. If I want the warmth vibes, or I want the cool vibes, I just change it right to my gangs. I change my gang color. Yeah, as you can see, I give it this little bit of warmth to my gang. And then another one, so I just did my luma. I was fixing my saturation, luma saturations, and saturation is try to give my colors back, not over saturated, especially to the white part. And then last I just did my vignette to give a mood to my images. That this is what I just did, just make, I give a little bit of a darkness, it has a it's a very shadow too, yeah. And then last, which I did, is my last print, is to give that, to give it a war vibes, to give it out the war mode. Look at the way it is right now. That's the way it is. Final grade, and this is before. Yeah, you see the before was just warmth. I have a little bit of warmth, the orangey, which is very warm. But I just did some greenish right here to give that war mode. What I did, it was just drag my leaf to my blacks to the greens, and give it a warm to my gamma, and I twist a little bit of my gains to give a bluish. Yeah, this is the way it is. So let's jump to another video. No, it's image. I just downloaded images, a snapshot this image. Okay, let's go to another picture that I did the same process I did before. Was conversions direct 79 from access and then exposure, and then also my saturation. What I did, yeah, as you can see, twist my blue to be teal to gather the vintage blue, and also I just twist my yellow to be orange, and then I came to my skin tone, as you can see, and then I give it my warmth vibes. You know, I kind of like the warmth vibe. You see, look at the way these did that before. Look at the way it is, man. Yeah, man, I kind of like. Oh wow, it's late. Okay, it's coming right there. You see, it's kind of you know, everything is fine. I can live like that, but to me, I kind of like, you know, give that a little bit of a print. Yeah, so that's why I twist my warmth. Especially what I do is just drag down my bluish until 90%, and I give it up a little bit of a reddish up to 1.05, and then I just, you know, bring it down. You know, just do my intensity. I just take it down. Another one is Luma, the same process that I did before, and vignettes, but right here I never did such long vignettes, like too much black. No. And then last I just did my other prints, which is just a little bit. Look at the image, the way it is before and after. Let me zoom in. You should see. This is before. Come on. What are you waiting for? You see the way it look. It's kind of cool. I can leave it like that, and I often leave it that way, especially with music videos. I want to have a very film look, and then I just bring in that greenish just a bit, because I just want those to look familiar with this, you know, whatever it's kind of this scene, maybe that the movie or some kind of, you know, that it's look at the same videos, not like this is very bright, like this is too dark, this is very cinema, this is very commercial. Nah, man, I kind of don't like that. I'm talking fast because I just don't want to waste time doing these videos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Go subscribe for them. Also, they make a good, nice videos. If you concentrate on them, you can learn something as the way I just did. I'm so inspired with them. So, yeah, man. Chill out.